Hello. In this video, I show how you can change the speed of each patrol enemy in a very simple way. Go into your patrol_enemy script. Now, type before the variable speed, export, like this. The keyword, export, allows us to access our variable from the inspector. The variable is displayed as a display box. Click on patrol_enemy. Here at Inspector, you can find our speed variable displayed. Click on your speed variable and change the value. Do this with all patrol_enemies for which you want to change the speed. Like this. Now run the program. Great. Until next time. Bye.